my dear students. How are you? Are you fine? Sounds good. So, have you enjoyed your festival? Have you enjoyed Diwali? Good. So, today we are going to start our chapter number 15, that is verbs. Can you tell me what I am doing here? What I am doing here? Yes, I am speaking. Speak. And you listen. You are watching me also. You are watching video na? Watch. Listen. So that is action verb. You are doing an action. आप एक action कर रहे हैं. Okay, मैं speak कर रही हूँ. That is an action. You are watching. Watch. That is an action. Listen. That is an action. And today our topic is based on this. Words that show action are called doing words or verbs. It means the words which show action. जो words action show करते हैं, those are called doing words or verbs. Do you remember we have done this topic in English Grammar Week? Yes. So many of the students know it very well. They will say, ma'am, we have already done. We know about it. So again we are going to do this in our book. That is our chapter. Okay. So here I want to tell you some examples. The first one is, look at this picture. The boy eats. Here eats is an action. Eats. Next picture, just look here. The girl sleeps. Girl sleeps. Sleeps is an action. Next, the mother cooks. It's an action. And now the big birds fly. Fly is an action. You have already done this in your grammar week, so it will be really easier for you to do this. Now look here how we will use the verbs with the noun or pronoun. Okay, so when I is there, we will use read. We will write read, write, speak, laugh. You read, write, speak, laugh, sing. Next we read, sleep, laugh. जो भी verb होगी that will be without us. They read, sleep, walk. And when there is he or she, जब भी he or she होगा, then we will write s or es with the verb. Here we are writing s with the verb. He reads, he watches, she reads, she laughs. Fine. And when there is name of one person, यहाँ he, she है, but if यहाँ पर कोई name हो, like I have written Aditya. In the same way we will use as or es. किसी भी one person के name के साथ हम क्या use करेंगे? as या es. यहाँ पर हमने name use कर दिया. But if there is singular noun like mother, father, grandmother, child, baby, है ना, cat, dog, कुछ भी होगा singular noun होगा, then we will use a verb with as or es. And in this case I, we, you, they जब हमारे पास होता है I, we, you, they, then we use a verb without s or es like this. Okay? और जब इसमें noun जो होगा plural होगा, जैसे कि यहाँ we है तो हमने यहाँ write कर दिया children, students, तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, उसके साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे, like I have written children और students, तो हम इसके साथ वर्ब यूज करेंगे read, write. ओके, बिकॉज ये प्लूरल हो गया. जब प्लूरल होगा तो वर्ब जो होगी वो विदाउट एस और es होगी. और अगर यहाँ पर वन से ज्यादा पर्सन्स के नेम आ जाए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर आई हैव रिटन आदित्य एंड हियर आई एम राइटिंग आदित्य एंड अर्जुन. आदित्य एंड अर्जुन, देन verb will be without s. Read. Aditya and Arjun read. Okay. Again I am repeating it. जब भी I, we, you, they हो तो हम verb कैसे यूज करेंगे, without s और es. और जब plural होगा, है ना, यहाँ पर plural होगा हमारा जो noun है, then we will use a verb without s और es. And if there will be two persons, more than one person, then we will use a verb without s और es. यहाँ पर two भी हो सकते हैं, two से बहुत ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, so here I have given you the example only. And when we are talking about he, she की बात करते हैं तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं verb के साथ, s या es. And if the name of one person is there, we use s or es. And if singular noun is there, like mother, teacher, doctor, child, student, grandfather, grandmother, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे वर्ब के साथ? एस या es. Okay, let's do the book now. Yes, start now. This is the show that the students of St. Joseph School conduct during their morning assembly. Fill in the blanks with the correct action words given in the box. Means the students have conducted an assembly. We have to fill these fill-ups with the help of these options. Let's start it. Here options are given in yellow box: calls, gives, sing, return, talks, begin, gather, discuss. Every morning the students dash at the auditorium, gather. For the assembly, they dash with a small pair, start. Then the principal dash a small speech, gives. Sometimes he dashed about the importance of keeping the surroundings clean, talks. And there are times when he dash a few students to the stage, calls. They dash the important news of the week, discuss. Finally, the students dash the national anthem, sing the national anthem. Yes, we sing the national anthem. And they dash to their classes. And after the national anthem, what the students do? They go back to their classes. So here we will use action word return. So the words that you wrote in the blanks, the words which you have written here, यहाँ पे आपने जो भी words fill किए हैं blanks में, those are action words. All are action words. Gather, start, gives, talks, calls, discuss, sing, return. Now the words that show action are called doing words or verbs. जो भी words हमें action show करते हैं, action जो भी action show करते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Doing words or verbs. Exercise A, circle the verbs in these sentences. First is Shobit eats watermelon every day. Here verb is eats. Why eats is written here? S is used with this verb because the noun is singular here. Shobit is singular here. That's why we will use a verb with S or ES. Second, Manu loves mango pickles. Which is verb here? Loves. Yes. So why S is used with this verb? Because the noun is singular. Manu is singular. Next, third is Amir, Sanjay and Mohit walk to school every day. Here the verb is walk. Why S or no es is not used with it? Because the noun is plural here. Amir, Sanjay and Mohit are three persons here. Okay, so that's why verb is without s or es. If it could be only Amir. अगर सिर्फ अमीर होता तो हम क्या यूज करते? walks. Okay, तो अगर सिंगुलर नाउन होता तो हम इसके साथ s यूज करते, but the noun is plural. That's why we have used walk. Fourth is the gardener waters the plants in the garden. Here the verb is waters because the noun is singular. Okay, now exercise B, fill in the blanks with the correct verbs given in the box. First is Amit's dog dash at strangers. Yes, it's barks. Because the dog barks, we will write barks. Second, he dash his dog for a walk every morning. The right option is takes. तो हमने यहाँ पर इन दोनों के साथ s यूज किया because Amit's dog it's singular and when we are talking about he, तो he के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? s या es, as I have told you earlier also. Okay. Rest of the exercise you will do yourself. Exercise C, tick the correct verbs in this passage. My pet cat love or loves music. Here my pet cat is singular, so for this we will use a verb with s or es. So right option is loves. While listening to music, she sit or sits by the window. With she we will use sits. Next, she watches the birds from their watches. Sometimes she jumps out of the window to catch them. With she we will use a verb having s or es. So the right option is jumps. Rest of the exercise do it yourself. Thank you.